All right, guys, let's start with word 3. I'm going to do the same thing, except this time I'm just going to copy and paste by clicking and dragging by holding Option, this word. Just pasted it right on top. And let's make some changes real quick here. So this is design. Oops, I have sorry guys, misordered them. This is now design 3, and this is design 2. Made a copy and put them on top of each other. Sorry. Design 3, let's go through and do something real simple here. I want to go through and get rid of the drop shadow. So let's grab the drop shadow and drag it to the trash. I'm going to keep the stroke. Let's change the stroke though to be white. And let's increase the stroke size ever so slightly. Let's do, no, come on, that's too much. Let's, how about 4? That should be enough for us to see it. All right, so we'll do 4 and then click OK. After that, I want to show you the difference between adjusting the opacity and the fill opacity. So if I just adjust the opacity, that's going to decrease the transparency level across all the fill, the stroke, everything, all the effects. But for this one, I want to adjust the opacity in just the fill, which is going to delete basically the inside of this and show just the fill color or just the stroke color that I have applied, right? I did get rid of the drop shadow because it looks kind of weird sometimes when you do that. Let me show you what that looks like. So if I go back to effects and let's turn the drop shadow back on, it's not really transparent, if you will. So it kind of shows the drop shadow not fully through there, but you know, you guys can see that, right? So it doesn't really look transparent at that point. It looks like we just have a blue fill color. So I don't really do the drop shadow like that very often. Fun effect, I don't know if you guys won't really care, but if I take this blue or this salmon color, let's get rid of the stroke on this one. By the way, I can just turn it off. I just want to hide it. And then let's take the fill color on this and let's turn it to something that's similar to this blue, which may be a smidge darker. Makes it look like it's kind of built out or extruding out of the artwork. So there's some fun things we can do here, guys, with these effects. You just have to kind of play around with them a little bit, right? It's kind of the nature of the beast and what we're doing. So be willing to kind of mess around a little bit and go back and kind of adjust some of these stroke colors and some of the things to see what you like, what you don't like. Don't be afraid to click around and adjust things. You're not going to hurt anything, all right? But there we go. So that's kind of fun. All right. After that, we're going to move on to word 4.